Good evening. This is the kickoff lecture for Math 0465, Spring 2020 Independent Study 8-week cohort. These plans are a work in progress because of the virus that is happening, but it's March 12 and we're getting started, and this will be a work in progress. I'm going to talk about what a huge opportunity this is. I'm going to talk about the resources that you will need to purchase and the ones that will be provided for you, how we do grading, some of the resources for your success, and there's more detail in the syllabus that Sue has provided. This is a huge opportunity because in 8 weeks you can complete 5 hours of coursework and earn entry into college level math. The other path that you could be taking will take you 3 semesters of time and 13 hours of coursework. Quite an opportunity, but your goal is to get a C or better. One of the main requirements is, and these are mandatory minimums, is that you have to use the ALEKS program. You have to invest at least 70 hours of effort over this 8 weeks, and you have to reach a mastery or a competency of 70%, and this must be an assessed competency. More is way better, but those are the mandatory minimum requirements. You don't get a C or better unless you have reached these requirements. This shows you where I have put the course materials in ALEKS. I also have established a financial aid code that you can use to get started. Eventually you do have to pay for this though, and this talks about that as well as the steps. You go to aleks.com and follow these instructions. The handout describing these instructions is included in the handout that's attached to the companion email. So what will happen is then there'll be 4 factors in your grade. Mandatory minimums in ALEKS. This is a go or no go. If you don't reach this, you don't get the C or better. You have to start immediately. We're going to have unit quizzes and projects for you to do. Those will be normalized to 100 points. We'll have a midterm exam that is 100 points and a comprehensive final exam that is also 100 points. So it is a third, and really a no or no-go with the ALEKS. We are going to have opportunities for interaction. This is my current schedule, and we have talked about doing this from 10 to 11 on Wednesday, but with the new changes with the virus, we might have to change the mechanism that we're doing that. Again, this is a work in progress. Also, Mike Phelan, a longtime math teacher both at College of DuPage and Glen Ellen, and a Learning Commons mainstay and a football coach, my friend and partner in this course several times, and your best friend, is also available through the Learning Commons. So again, another serious resource. I'm also including attachments, and these are some video lectures that exist for the first unit about statistics. And so this is the main site that you go to access these videos on the College of DuPage's website. And I'm asking you to begin and do lesson 1 and lesson 2. For each of these, the handouts include a summary description of the video, some questions for you to answer about the video as you do them, and some exercises. This work will be continued, but that will get you started. How we do the testing is also a work in progress. I normally do this in the testing center. That gives you additional time and flexibility to take the test, but we may have to do alternative things because as of this recording, we don't know exactly how the testing center is going to work during this time. But now you should have enough to begin, and I wish you well. Thanks.